Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing Orange from Rainbow Friends. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, wanna say hi?
Hello.
Mateo and I were gonna draw one of his favorite characters right now, all of the Rainbow Friends, but I think this is one of his favorites, right?
Yeah, one of them.
We are gonna draw Orange from Rainbow Friends and we hope you like this lesson. Let's start in the middle of the paper and then we're gonna go up and then we're gonna go right. And we're gonna draw the first eye. This is gonna be kind of like a circle. And we're gonna do a big circle here for the first eye.
Oval. It's kind of like an oval circle.
It's a little bit more oval, yeah. And then inside, close to the left side, we're gonna do an oval shape. We're gonna do a line that is gonna look a little bit more straight. And then it's gonna come down in a curved way. And we're gonna fill that one with black. Okay, now we're gonna go up in the middle of the circle on the right side and we're gonna curve a line down like this, curve. Just a little line, short. And over this line, we're gonna trace the second line that is kind of like behind. So we're gonna start up here in the circle and I'm gonna curve down to the line. Now for the other eye, we just see a part of it. So we're gonna do a small half a circle here on the top and we're gonna fill that with black. Now from this line we did, we're gonna just go down a little, very short. And then we're gonna do diagonal line down. And then we're gonna do the front of his mouth, a curve that goes down. And from this point, we're gonna come back here, kind of like underneath his eye. So where his eye is, I'm gonna put my finger and I'm gonna put a little dot right there. Good. Now we're gonna join this line to the dot. So I'm gonna go back like this and join to the dot. Here where we finish this line, I want to go in a little and I want to draw a couple teeth. So we're going to go doing triangles until we finish and we go to the end, okay? All the triangles are the same size and I want to stop before I get to the very end.
He's got shredding teeth.
We're going to connect this line here. We're going to do a really wide open mouth. I'm going to go from this point down. And then I'm gonna curve and I wanna go back up and I wanna start curving and passing to the first tooth. Perfect. Now let's do a bunch of more teeth. So we're gonna start doing these triangles now inside the mouth. And I wanna start here really close to the end. I wanna start doing these triangles. Okay, one side of the teeth, I'm gonna do it like a little bit more straight than the other one. It's kind of like straight and curve.
That look kind of like waves.
Yeah, it'll be like blade kind of.
Yeah, this is pretty much Orange's teeth. So you
Now,
do not want to get caught by this guy.
Yeah, probably not. Now we're gonna do the teeth on the outside, okay? So we're gonna start underneath these ones and we're gonna do the same thing. These teeth are resting over the line, okay? So we are not gonna cross the line of the tongue or of the mouth. Now that we finish these teeth, we're gonna finish the mouth and we're gonna start from this corner. We're gonna go around the same line. I'm gonna go up and to the left a little here. Good job. Now we're gonna do two lines. The first line is gonna come underneath this one. We're gonna go in a little and I'm gonna curve and go down. Now the second line is gonna come here on top of the eye. I wanna go up a little, kind of like in the middle of this, and I wanna curve down. And I wanna pass this one, okay? We're passing this line.
Orange looks kind of like mindless. He's like I'm pretty sure he always thinks about is like charge.
Probably.
Sure that's all he thinks about. Eating, like me.
Okay, let's extend this line in a little bit more, like passing this one. So I'm gonna just go down a little bit more. Okay, Now we're gonna do a sideways letter U or a long letter C. I wanna start here where my line finish, and I wanna go this way, and I wanna extend it this way.
I had the idea to do this video because I really need tips on Orange. I did not do very good when I drew him by myself.
It's a tricky one. He looks easy, but it's kind of tricky. Okay, now in here, we're gonna do, on this line, we're gonna do a letter V.
A letter V?
Mm-hmm. Now from this side of the letter V, we're gonna go down and down in a diagonal way. Now, if your lines don't touch like mine, you just join here, okay? Now, this letter V we did here is gonna be the first kind of like finger that he has. So we're gonna curve down and do kind of like a hook. Curve down and hook. Good job. Now, from this one, we're gonna do another letter V. So letter V. So up here, we're gonna do a third finger he has. So we're gonna curve, point, down. And now we're gonna join this line with this one. So if your finger is on the way, you just pass it in behind, okay? But if it's open like mine, we're gonna just go and join to the bottom. So going behind, yeah. Good, now he has another arm here that goes in behind this hand, kind of like extending to his mouth. So it's a long arm. So we're gonna go from here, from this finger, I wanna curve. Now I wanna leave a space and I wanna do a second line, curve. Okay, now we're gonna do two curves. The first curve is gonna go here on top and joins to the mouth. And the second curve goes down like this. It's a short curve. Now let's go up and curve. And we're gonna do one more curve here. Curve and join to the mouth. Perfect. Now the body is gonna keep going long and up to the tail. Okay, so we're gonna start here behind the arm. I wanna go down, curving, and to the back like this. Now let's do it again. Underneath the arm, we're gonna leave kind of like a finger space here, and we're gonna go curve to the back, and I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna go shorter than this one. Good job. Now we're gonna do the feet that is standing out to the back. So we're gonna go inside the body a little. We're gonna curve down and then curve up. Here he has a foot pointing down, and I wanna do 3 letter V's together. 1, 2, 3, or 2 triangles. Okay, now from these triangles, we're gonna come down and curve up, and now it's joining to this line. We're gonna finish the tail by following this line. I imagine it passing behind the leg, and I go up and connect with this line. Perfect. And the last leg is gonna be bending too. We're gonna get a long leg down, and it's bending a little. So.
No, but seriously, it looks like he's like, I'm flying.
He looks like he's in a hurry, that's for sure. Okay, we're gonna go out. Now let's go down. Let's leave a space here, and we're gonna repeat that shape. Out and down. Now I wanna do a triangle shape here. We're gonna go triangle, and this part is kind of like curvy. And let's repeat that step with little triangle and curve and connect.
It looks like he's wearing shoes for a sec. It looked like he was wearing shoes for a sec.
For a little second. The last detail we're gonna do is here underneath the eye. We're gonna put a curve.
He kind of like has.
And underneath the other eye, we're gonna put another curve. And there, that's it. We finished this. Character is orange.
Goat sounds.
Good job, Mateo. Do you like your character?
Yes.
Yeah? I think you did awesome. And now we are gonna go to my favorite part, and that is?
Let's color.
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. This is probably the easiest coloring we ever did, right?
Yeah, all you need is just orange. Orange here, orange there, orange there. So the only thing you don't color orange is the eyes and the teeth.
Yeah, but everything was super easy. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons.
Like this one. Hasta la próxima.
See you next time. See you next time. Bye.
I was copying my mom from her Spanish videos.
Say bye.